Hello, I want to say welcome back to our health and wellness family. And if you're new here, I want to say welcome to the family. Today I'm going to make Aloe Green Drink. And also for more healthy recipes, you can also check out my health course. It has 60 meal ideas, lots of antioxidant rich food information, and it also has lots of health tips. You can find it at shirleylouise.com or amazon.com. So let's get started with making the Aloe Green Drink. Here we have some of the foods that are actually going to go into our Aloe Green Drink. We have the Aloe Vera plant. We also have an apple, and we have some celery sticks, as well as we have some cucumber. In Jamaica, we would call this cucumber. And then we have a few additional things that are gonna go into our Aloe Green Drink, like ginger, a little bit of pineapple, etc. So here we have all of the foods that are gonna go into our Aloe Green Drink. Apart from the green foods, we're gonna add some ginger, some coconut water, and some pineapple pieces to our Aloe Green Drink. Now we're gonna cut a piece of our aloe. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut up our celery. I'm gonna go ahead and just add the celery pieces to our blender. We're gonna now add some cucumber to our blender. We're gonna just add the cucumber pieces to our blender. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our aloe pieces to our blender. We're gonna now add some apple pieces. Now we're gonna add our apple pieces to the blender. Now we're gonna add a few pieces of ginger to our blender. I decided to add some pieces of kiwi fruit for an additional boost of vitamin C. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a couple pieces of pineapple. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our coconut water, and then we're gonna go ahead and just blend. You can add a little bit of water if you like for a thinner consistency. Now we're gonna go ahead and just blend. You can go ahead and strain the green drink for a smoother consistency, but I always eat the fiber that's left behind, that fiber that's so good for you. We're gonna add a few pieces of ice. Now we're gonna pour our drink and enjoy. So there you have it, our aloe green drink. Enjoy. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.